to speed up a computer system, delete all temporary files from your computer. Open run command using window R shortcut and type temp and then press enter or click on OK. These are temporary files. Delete all these temporary files. Ctrl A, select all and then shift delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 26 items? These are 26 items. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Do this for current items. Skip. This one is remaining. Click close. Now try another one. Again press shortcut when R and type %temp %. Enter. Again Ctrl A, select all, shift delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 264 items? Yes. Skip this one and close. Again open run command by using window R and type prefetch and then click on OK. Continue. Ctrl A, shift delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 260 items? Click yes. Again skip these commands. This one is remaining. Leave it and click close.